Machiavelli time back here with another video. As you can see, this time we're outside patty time. I see the comments you guys definitely around this patties video, so I had to come check this place out. You guys were saying this is better than Randy's patty, so I'm outside, I'm here. Out here in Sky Town. Came here to check this out. Alright, let's see what's big saying. How are you? Okay. I have a question. It's just chicken and beef patties you sell?
That's all we sell.
That's all you sell?
Chicken, yeah.
How much for like a dozen beef patties?
$27 for the dozen.
Yeah. Okay.
Half a dozen is $17.10 and individually they're $3.
$3? I may get 2 beef patties and 2 chicken patties.
5-minute wait for chicken, is that okay?
That's okay. And 1 poker bread.
Can you put in 2 chicken for me? Chicken finish?
Chicken finish? Hey, that came late. Came late still.
That's okay.
Alright, so just give me 2 chicken and
2 beef for me?
yes. I should make it 3 beef and 1 poker bread. That's cool?
That's fine.
Okay.
Don't miss a bad one chicken. You want 3 beef, 1 bread.
3 beef, yeah.
Don't miss a bad one. Don't miss a bad one.
1075. Maybe credit. Let's go. Cash it only, no problem. I got it. I heard you guys have the best beef patties in Toronto. Yes? Okay.
You are in the right place.
Hopefully. No, I believe you because, to be honest, I went to Randy's Patties. You know about Randy's? Obviously, you know about Randy's. If you know about Randy's Patties. Yes, and you know, I made a little video and a lot of people liked it, but they told me to come here.
It's not the same anymore.
That's what everybody says.
Yeah, it's a different owner and everything.
Okay.
So it's not the original.
Okay. Yeah, they told me to come here. They told me the patties over here are better, so
Yeah.
I'm here now.
So I guess when you taste it,
Yeah.
what is better? More filling and everything.
More filling, more everything. More flavor.
75 cash only.
I think I paid already.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Come back and try the chicken.
I will.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Yeah, have a good night. Alright, so they didn't have any chicken patties, so only thing we're doing today is the beef patty and the cocoa bread. Alright, as you can see, we got the beef patty from Patty Time. Right off the rip, I can tell you that the crust, it looks really nice and flaky, as you can see. Nice and crispy. Let me see how the cocoa bread looks. Like I said, I only have beef patties right now. They did not have chicken patties. So I'm gonna have to spin back after and get chicken patties and let you guys know how that is, okay? So let me see if, did I forget the cocoa bread? Okay, cocoa bread's right here. As you can see, you got the cocoa bread, nice and warm. It smells fresh, it smells buttery. I know this is gonna be good. All right, so the first thing we're gonna try. Of course, is the beef patty. You guys have been telling me this beef patty is better than what everything Randy's had, so y'all made me spin the block. I had to go hit him up, check it out. So I'm gonna take a bite, and this patty better be what y'all are saying it is. Okay. So it's nice, it's flaky, nice and soft. The crust is nice and soft. It's not too crispy or none of that. This patty here, yes, okay. I'll show you guys the inside. You see the meat? It's not too packed. It's not too little. I mean, compared to Randy's, it's not too far from like the same level when it comes to the filling, but I feel like this has a little bit more. Yeah, this is a solid patty though. I'm not gonna lie, this is a super solid patty. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not gonna lie, Marv too, so it's hitting differently. Mm. See? The crust is not too flaky, right? It's like damn near perfect. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, so we got oh fuck. Alright, so we got the cocoa bread. As you can see. We bust that open for you. There's a cocoa bread. Nice and fresh, has a good smell to it. Can't complain. Put the beef patty in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now this is good. So the cocoa bread, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's pretty solid, it's fresh, it's buttery. With the beef patty, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's fire. The beef patty itself now, when I rate that, I mean, it's hitting still, has a nice taste to it. You can taste the turmeric, you can taste the beef. The beef is nicely spiced, warm, nice serving. Can't complain. I'm gonna give the beef patty like a 9.5 out of 10. Is it better than Randy's patties though? I mean, me personally, I say they're in the same league. You know? They compete with each other. Which one I personally say is better? I'm gonna give it to fuck. I'm gonna say they're both good, yo. Fuck it. Because they're both solid. I can't complain. Can't complain about either of them. Anyhow, it's your boy Machiavelli. Time back to another video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I pull up on patty time for you guys. Let me know where you guys want me to go next. Leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe. Boy Machiavelli. I'm out. Peace.